I never get a chance to see somebody else doing it, so.
And I can feel that right in there.
Right in there.
It don't hurt. It just.
So we wanted to hit like an intensity of a 5 or a 6 out of 10. Uncomfortable. Maybe you even flinch just a little bit. That's where we want it to be. If you flinch too much or can't handle it, then we want to turn it down.
Yep. Right there.
Yeah.
Get right in there.
Okay.
And so then he'll kind of move away from that area and then come back into that area. Would you say the outside is more uncomfortable or the inside is more uncomfortable?
Gosh, I don't even.
Okay.
I would think that side. But
You're going to do 400 and 400?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he told me he did an 8.
Okay.
His energy.
Yeah, good. That's right, because we raised it up.
yeah, you started at 6.
Yeah.